Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lesleyanne here. In today's Vlogmas video, I'm going to be doing a little collection of a few bits and bobs. So, firstly, I have a couple of meals that I have cooked through the week, and I thought I would just share them with you. So you will see them here, and I will do a voiceover for those because it got quite noisy in the kitchen with the dogs barking, etc., you know, running around, little pitter patter of little paws and everything, so easier for me to just do a voiceover without any interruptions. Today for dinner I'm making pork chops with applesauce and a little bit of a twist. So as you can see, I've got my jar of applesauce, which I've just popped into a roasting dish. In fact, they were kind of like the smaller jars, so I ended up using 3 of them. And then I popped all of the loin pork chops, just sort of laid them on top of the applesauce. And then I had some leftover gravy from the stew from the day before. In fact, I actually put too much in the dish and I ended up taking some out. But normally you would just cover your chops with gravy. And then I made up some sage and onion stuffing. And then I put the stuffing on top of the gravy. And then I put it in the oven, fan 180 for around about an hour with the roast potatoes on the top shelf, and it came out beautifully crispy, as you can see on the top. And the pork chops underneath were really moist and succulent and just fell apart. It was delicious. Everything's just piled on the plate now here, as you can see. But definitely pork chops with a twist. And on this particular day, I made a beef curry in the Instapot using the slow cooker function on the Instapot. So here you can see I'm chopping a brown onion, and then I go on to chop a red onion. And then I popped some garlic in, so that's what you can see me doing here, is just chopping up my garlic. But meanwhile, I'd had my Instapot on the saute function to start with, and I was just softening off the onions and the garlic, sort of bringing all the flavours together, and then sorting out the diced beef. Some pieces were a little bit bigger than others, and so I just decided to chop them up a little bit just to sort of make them all similar sizes. And then I added some paprika to the pan. I also added some like mushroom spices, which is quite spicy. I chopped up a couple of potatoes into fairly small pieces, and then put those into the pan as well to sort of, you know, saute down all together. Salt and pepper to season, curry powder and a can of kidney beans, and then left it to slow cook for about 6 hours. I then added some green leaves and I cooked some boiled rice. And then you'll see that we went to the hospital today for Chris, and finally he has been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, so which is very much what I thought it was anyway. Sort of having been diagnosed myself 30 years ago, I recognised all the signs and the symptoms that he was having. So he had a steroid injection today. He has started on the very beginning of a newly diagnosed rheumatoid arthritis patient for medication, and so hopefully he'll get relief from the steroid injection. He should, within a few days, it should kick in, and hopefully it give him relief for, well, with me, it always gives me relief for sort of 6 to 8 weeks, something like that. And then he will be going back to see the DMARD's nurses to get all his numbers. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, you will know what I'm talking about. And he has started on another medication as well today. So yeah, it has been very much x-rays, blood tests, everything. We were there for hours today. But when you are sort of newly diagnosed, it does take a long time to get, well, to find the medication that suits you. But I'll come back to that another time because, you know, it's quite a lengthy conversation to have. I have got a Terry's chocolate orange hot chocolate. Absolutely scrummy. I've already eaten the chocolate. We're now having a couple of toast. So, Mr. Sparkle, how do you feel that now you've actually been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis?
Relieved that there's a diagnosis, but not looking forward to the round of blood tests, x-rays, try this tablet, try that tablet.
So we're at the early stages of trying everything.
Yeah.
But you've had a steroid injection today to help you, haven't you?
Steroid, which will last anything from a month to 2 months, I think. By that time, hopefully they'll sort out exactly what medicine it is.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll catch up with you all when we get home. God, it's been a bit of a morning, honestly, it really has, but I'll catch up a bit later. I'm going to enjoy my hot chocolate and my toast. We did go to, where did we go? Home Bargains. Nip to Home Bargains. I will show you what we got. Well, I can't show you everything, but I can show you a lot. Right, so I picked up 3 of those to cook the meats in for Christmas. These were 99p each, and they are actually quite strong. They are, do you know what I mean? They are strong. Some of them I've had in the past, they really aren't. But these are, they're a quality one. So yeah, 3 of those. Gosh, it certainly is cold today, isn't it? Okay, so let's just start here. So I picked up a couple of these for Christmas. So this is the extra thick turkey foil. So just to sort of wrap stuff in, you know. So I did get a couple of those. For an additional gift, just picked up this. So this is the Lynx Attract for her. And this is the forever popular Africa for the guys. I haven't actually tried this before, but I thought I'd give this a go. So this is by Astonish, and you can see that it is the Pet Fresh one. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that one. Well, I have got a little bit of washing up liquid left, but I thought I'd get a new one because the bottle that I've got now, I've had it for ages and ages, and I've literally just been buying some more fairy and decanting into it because I really like this style that you just sort of squeeze. You don't have to worry about caps and everything. When you've got, you know, painful joints, it's very difficult. So this I find really helpful. But the bottle that I've got is a little bit knackered now, to be fair. So it was about time to get another one. So I will use up the one I've got first and then start on this one. Picked up some of these because I thought they looked really yummy, and so did Chris. I said, well, should we get them and pop them away as well for Christmas? So yeah, they look really nice. So these are the garlic and herb little minis. You know, like the little Ritz crackers, but only they're the salts. But I thought, yeah, they're probably quite tasty. Saw these and thought they look really nice, really tasty, and with 30% less fat than the regular potato chips, I thought we'd give them a go. So this is what they look like, very much like a party mix. I actually did buy two, one that we could all delve into now just to see if we like them, and if we did, then we will pop this one away to sort of bring out over the Christmas time. And they are delicious. So this is what they actually look like. This is the packet that's opened, look. Whoops, pick that up before the dog gets it. They are absolutely delicious, very light, very moreish. I'd highly recommend them, very scrummy. Took one of these to go with another gift for somebody. I don't know if you've had these before, but these are by Walker's, and they're the milk chocolate rum and raisins. And oh my goodness, we get one of these every year. I love them so much that we thought we must get one for somebody else to pop in, you know, as the little extra present, because this person we know will love them. And then we saw this, and we just thought, what a beautiful little gift this is. I wouldn't mind one of these myself, to be honest, purely and simply because I like the tin. I just think it's beautiful. Look at that. So it says tea time treats. It's got biscuits in it, but how beautiful is this tin? And then you've got like really nice things on the spine, so you could keep this with your cookery books and just have it stood up with the cookery books, and maybe if you hand write recipes, keep them in here. And then it does have these biscuits inside, so that again is a lovely little gift. And I actually forgot to say that I did nip to Tesco's yesterday, and I got a few bits. We are hosting Boxing Day this year. We're going to one of the daughters for Christmas Day, for the whole family. And so I just picked up these napkins from Tesco's. Sorry about the light now. I mean, look at it out there. It's like dark now. So just got 2 packs of napkins. I got the little tablecloth to match, and then the Merry Christmas paper plates. They're there to give away now for Boxing Day. And then I also, this was yesterday again in Tesco's, I picked up some bottle bags. There's 6 here, so they're all ready to load up for gifts for people. I've moved location again, but I'm still in the kitchen, but the other side. Right, okay, so we saw these in Home Bargains today, the pickled eggs. Chris and I both really love them, and they were literally, I think, £1, I want to say £1.50 or £1.30 something, but the cheapest I have seen them anywhere. So we grabbed 2 jars of those to put away. Dog treats. These were 3 for £3. If you are new to my channel, then you won't know, but we do board dogs at home in our house, and with the owner's permissions, they are allowed to have treats here. And I buy many of them, as all of you who have been with me for some time can vouch for. You know how much I buy, but obviously it is literally with the owner's permission, so I wouldn't do it otherwise. Never give rawhide either. But these are 3 for £3, and they are kind of like for specific dogs. So these are like little night-night biscuits. I know I'm one of those ladies who gives her dogs night-night biscuits. They have a night-night biscuit. These are for other sort of treats, and a lot of the time I break them in half. And these are, there's 2 of these are the jumbones, and these are for a particular dog in mind who's going to be coming in on Saturday for a few days. Stocked up with some more paracetamol, and then got 3 of these. These were not reduced or anything, but they were just on offer, I think 86p, I think they were, for the Gangster steak slices. And Ali, my son, he absolutely adores these, and he's often saying, you know, if I say, what do you want for lunch or something? Oh, if you've got a slice, I'll just have one of those. So just picked up some of those. In here, I do have a bag of little dog toys. Now, one of our little dogs, Teddy, the little Pom, he is going to be 5 on the 18th, so he has a birthday toy in here, which means Elsie, our other little one, who's 5 in January. I'll give one without the other. Yeah, I know, I'm that person. And then there are also some Christmas sort of presents in here, but I daren't get them out because obviously they'd go do lally-tat if I did. And just to put everything in and to sort of transport a lot of the presents up to sort of certain families, we bought this great big bag, so we popped all our shopping in here, but this is going to be used to just swap over and put wrapped presents in to take to some of the family. What are you doing, mister? Freddie? Freddie, what have you got? Have you got a teddy bear that you shouldn't have? Yes, you have. So that brings me to the end of this video. I've got dishes over here I need to sort out, need to top up the dishwasher. Dogs have been fed, put all this away. Never done, never finished, is it? But I'm going to end this video here and hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would do so. And I will talk to you in my next Vlogmas video, which is tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Stay in the warm, keep wrapped up, lots of hot drinks, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now, my lovelies. Bye-bye.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers